Go.
Hi guys! So we have a blessing. So na blessings namin guys from to Ate Disalmi. Yay! Thank you! So, ato na siyang i-open guys. Okay. Kang kway guys, kang dudo. To Indo from Haban family. Dayon. Okay. This is mine. And this is Kuya. Hello. And this is Mama. Kang Mama. So this is hand cream. And then to Munian and Taguy. It's ball pen. Asa mo nga nga ball pen? Anay kwarta. Uy. Pila. Ano sa? Pag nalahag mo. Kwasa.
Pila.
Kwarta na or papel?
Go. So guys,
I have a gift. So we have to open. Feel na ko guys kay sleeper siya guys. What kind of sleeper is this? Ay, pambalay siya guys. Look. Wow. Ito daw, isukod ba ito na daw? So, it's a kuan siya sleeper guys na pambalay. So nice. Thank you.